Diddy's legal team is crumbling, and the timing couldn't be worse. One of his top lawyers just quit, just 3 months before his high-stakes trial. But the most shocking part, he won't even say why. He simply stated, "Under no circumstances can I continue to effectively serve as counsel for Sean Combs." Sounds fishy. What did this lawyer see behind the scenes that made him walk away? Is Diddy's defense completely falling apart? Or did he uncover something so bad that he wanted no part of it? Let's break it all down. If you've been following Diddy's situation, you already know he's facing serious charges. He's set to go on trial in May for multiple crimes, including federal trafficking, racketeering, and conspiracy. With stakes this high, Diddy assembled a legal dream team, 6 high-powered attorneys to help him fight the case. But now, one of them has suddenly resigned, and his reason for leaving is raising even more eyebrows. Diddy's downfall has been a long time coming. Once one of the biggest moguls in the music industry, his empire has been crumbling ever since shocking allegations surfaced. It started with multiple lawsuits from former associates and victims accusing him of sex trafficking, abuse, and illegal business dealings. Federal investigators launched a full-scale probe, leading to raids on his properties and mounting evidence against him. Now, as he awaits trial, his legal team is already showing signs of instability, raising serious doubts about his ability to beat the case. On Friday, attorney Anthony Rico officially filed a motion to withdraw from Diddy's defense team. His statement was vague, but what he did say was very telling. He stated, "Under no circumstances can I continue to effectively serve as counsel for Sean Combs." That's a strong statement, but he didn't give any specific details, citing attorney-client privilege. So why would a high-profile lawyer like Rico leave a case this big, this close to trial? There are a few possible explanations, and none of them are good for Diddy. Let us know in the comment why you think he could have quit. Some potential reasons could be the following: conflicts within the legal team. It's possible Rico had disagreements with the rest of Diddy's legal team. Maybe he wanted to take the case in a different direction and got pushback from the other attorneys. Maybe he has issues with Diddy himself. Let's be real, Diddy is known for being difficult. If you've heard the countless stories about his behavior, you know he doesn't take no for an answer. He's been accused of intimidating witnesses and manipulating people into covering for him. Could Rico have decided he didn't want to be part of that anymore? Or potentially, he discovered something worse? This is the big one. Rico has had access to all of the evidence, including things the public hasn't seen. Did he uncover something so bad that he decided he couldn't defend Diddy in good conscience? If so, that's a major red flag. Diddy's defense strategy is falling apart. One of the biggest arguments Diddy's team is making is that his crimes were consensual and that he's being unfairly targeted. But this defense has holes all over it. Recently, his lawyers even tried to get one of the charges dismissed by claiming it was based on a racist law. This last-minute move could be a sign that the defense is scrambling, and maybe Rico saw that things weren't going to end well. The timing is suspicious. This resignation comes at a crucial time. Jury selection is about to begin, and Diddy still has a mountain of legal problems. He's facing multiple lawsuits, and even though one was recently dismissed, he still has several accusers coming forward. The fact that Rico left now makes it look like there's trouble behind the scenes that we don't fully know about yet. Despite losing one of his top attorneys, Diddy still has 5 high-profile lawyers on his defense team. But let's be real, when you're fighting for your freedom, you don't want to see your team falling apart before the trial even begins. If anything, this just adds to the already growing narrative that things are not going well for him. So what do you think? Why do you think Anthony Rico quit? Was it just a simple disagreement, or did he see something he couldn't be a part of? And with Diddy's trial just 3 months away, do you think this will have a major impact on the case? Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and as always, be sure to like and subscribe to stay updated on this ongoing case. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.